think we did our first installation back in about 2013. All that heat was sitting at the top of the building and then just ultimately escaping out of poor skylights or poor insulation. We were aware of Airius as a local company and we were aware of the products they supplied, so yeah, we looked to invest in that. And actually that first project we did, I think we measured, based on our bills, a return within about 18 days. So every property where we know the layout, we know how we're going to use the space for a long period of time, it's just made sense to put the Destrat fans in. Most of the staff don't even notice they're running, but I notice it in our heating bills. But often people look up and they can't actually see the fan moving, so they assume they're off or just turn the power off. Equally, if they're in an area that's too hot and we can pull that heat away from them, that's a win, especially in the summer as well. It helps people to feel cooler. Ultimately, yeah, anything that's going to improve staff comfort is a big win for us. We were looking to understand various other efficiency projects for warehouse spaces, whether it's cladding improvements or roof replacements and improving insulation, draft prevention, and we did have the Destrat fans studied as part of that via an external consultant for a thermal model, and so they assessed that it's easily cutting down our heating bill by 20–25%. So they're brilliant, they're very easy to work with, communication's always quick and efficient, and the pricing's brilliant as well. I like that it's a package deal. You get the floor plans and the optimal positions of those fans. We can tweak that. We know that they're going to do all the electrical works. Basically, a full turnkey solution. In general, I'd say if you just have a space you know you're going to keep open, and you do want to try and retain heat in that space, definitely encourage you to put some destratification fans in. We've worked out that we've eliminated thousands of tons of CO2 over the years. It's helping us on our emissions targets and keeping our heating bill down as well.